Greetings. This is Chris from Tantalizing Tech. Mobile World Congress 2023 completed recently, and Lenovo has unveiled some really exciting and new tech. This particular episode will only focus on the new Lenovo ThinkPad X13 Yoga Gen 4 laptop. Please stick around until the end to see if this laptop is tantalizing. But first, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment saying I subscribed, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. As I mentioned, we will now discuss the Lenovo ThinkPad X13 Yoga Gen 4 laptop. In terms of the Lenovo ThinkPad X13 Yoga Gen 4 laptop, this laptop comes in two colors. One of the colors is deep black and the other color is storm gray. In terms of the picture we're looking at right now, this is the Lenovo ThinkPad X13 Gen 4 and the left-hand side of the laptop. And going from left to right, we have two USB Type-C ports, which are Thunderbolt 4. In addition, we also have a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A port. Furthermore, the last port there is an audio, headphone, and microphone combination jack. In terms of the display options, we have three different display options. The first option there is a 13.3 WUXGA IPS 16x10 100% sRGB 400 nit low power eye-safe and touch display. The second option is a 13.3 WUXGA 16x10 100% sRGB 300 nit touch display with anti-glare. And the third option is 13.3-inch WUXGA IPS 16x10 100% sRGB with 300 nits touch display with ARIS. And ARIS is anti-reflection and anti-static. In terms of memory options, this laptop comes with up to 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5 memory, which is the latest and greatest fast memory. In terms of the graphic options for this laptop comes with the Intel Iris Xe option. For battery, we have one option, which is the 41 watt-hour battery, and we also have a second option, which is a 54.7 watt-hour battery. In terms of the laptop weighs in at 2.51 pounds or 1.14 kilograms. In terms of the laptop, you could also get up to 2 terabytes of M.2 PCIe NVMe Gen 4 SSD drive configuration. Furthermore, this laptop comes with two user-facing speakers with Dolby Audio. In addition, this laptop comes with Wi-Fi 6E, and it also has an option for 4G LTE connectivity. And in terms of Bluetooth, this laptop comes with Bluetooth 5.1. Also, in terms of processor options, this laptop comes with the 13th generation Intel Core processors with Intel vPro. Although Lenovo didn't give the specifications of which Intel 13th generation core processor they're including, I will post that when I get the information from their website. In this particular picture, we're looking at the right-hand side of the laptop. And in terms of this laptop, it comes with a SIM card slot. It also has a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port. It also has an HDMI 2.0B port, and furthermore, it comes with a micro security slot. In terms of the laptop, it also comes with Windows 11 Pro. Furthermore, this laptop comes with a dual far-field microphone with Dolby Voice. In terms of webcam options, you can have a full HD RGB camera with privacy shutter, and you also could have a second option, which is a 5 megapixel RGB and IR camera with privacy shutter. In terms of Lenovo, I think they've made some great product suggestions at the Lenovo conference that they had in Mobile World Conference. In particular, this laptop will definitely raise the bar for other laptops that are out there. And I want to thank you again for watching Tantalizing Tech. I have been your host, Chris. Once again, I want to thank you for watching this video and invite you to subscribe if you feel that this video is tantalizing. Leave a comment saying I subscribe, and I will do my best to reply to as many comments as I can. Wow, now that was tantalizing.